Hello. So we are going to review how to solve proportions because it comes up a lot. Yeah. So you might remember this from previous years. Some of your teachers might have called it like butterfly multiply, right? So when you have this equal sign in the middle and you're trying to solve the proportion, what you do is cross multiply. So 5 times 4 is 20. And 10 times v, so equal sign, 10 times v is 10v. Cool. Now we have this one-step equation where you divide both sides by 10 and v equals 2. I get asked a lot, which one do I do first? It really truly doesn't matter because you're setting them equal to each other anyway. So if you decided you were going to do the 10v first and then do the 4 times 5, that's also just fine because either way, you get the same answer. Sometimes you will have not just the variable, but that variable will have a coefficient. Just treat that normally, right? So 8 times 7 is 56, equal sign. 3b times 5. Well, 3 times 5 is 15b. A lot of people say, I can't combine those. They're not like terms. That only applies to addition, subtraction. You can multiply anything you want. Now we have this one-step equation where we divide by 15 on both sides. And you get left with b equals 56 over 15. Now, depending on what assignment you're doing, I mean, if you were actually like a NASA engineer, you would leave it like this. But for the sake of Edulastics, if it tells you to round it, you put 56, divide it by 15 in your calculator, and you round to the nearest 2 digits. That would be good enough, right? Because it's 0.7333333, so you keep the floor. Okay, something like this. It's not a coefficient that we have. We have k plus 2. And when you ever have something that's in a denominator or in a numerator, they stay together. They are married, for lack of a better term. So it's 3 times the whole thing. So when you multiply, it's 3 times the whole thing equals 70. Now, distributive property, 3k. 3 times 2 is positive 6 equals 70. I'm going to rewrite this up here so I have a little more space. All right, so now it's a 2-step equation. Subtracting 6, 3k. 6 minus 6 is nothing. That's why we did that. 3 times k, we undo that by dividing. So that kind of becomes a giant 1. K equals 64 over 3. So if you were being asked for an exact answer, 64 over 3 would do it. But if you are asked to round, 64 divided by 3 equals 21.333333. So we're going to say 21.33.